So we have the new fuel pump installed. Nice little cheap one off Amazon for a couple, like 20 bucks, something like that. And now we have the accelerator cable wired up to the actual accelerator. So we're going to fire it up. It has been running better. But I'm going to show you a new problem once it gets a little warm in the engine compartment. So watch out. Here we go. Here the fuel pump is much quieter. The accelerator. But now we're going to go show it some smoke that's coming out. Problem is, you keep watching along here, the idle's still a little low. Raise the idle a little bit. Watch along here in a minute, and we may have to edit the video because it may take too long to come out. But you'll start seeing some smoke. We'll start running along the headers here. Smoke-filled area. So, internet forums, what do we think of that? What's causing that? Good news is it's just on one side of the engine, and other good news is both exhaust pipes are putting out a good bit of exhaust, so I don't think it's a total block, but I don't think it's just fluid burning off either.